It's time to get busy. 1, 2, 3, shut the fuck up and bring that ballistic riff from the biscuit straight through the speakers with the hey, hey. Check this future shock of rock revolution, punk. Oh my God, here it comes. So shut it up. You keep on talking, we gon' shut your ass straight the fuck up. Call the cops, look up in the stands. Got another riot on our hands. I pulled this mic straight out my toolkit to fix your wannabes. It ruined all the music. But never mind, those phonies never get it. The phonies just deny it, cause rock ain't in the diet. Apocalypse now, who's talking shit now? Give me the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Fill up my lungs with some butane. Turn the mic into a flame. Damn, that shit's hot. Super heavy, built like a Chevy. And I ain't really mad at the hey, hey. My significant chocolate $3 bills from the cockpit. Oh my God. Round 2, you ready for a break? You keep on talking, I'ma break you off something like this. Full throttle, better be prepared. Coming with the kick and the snare. And a downright dirty, ruthless movement. Why'd you have to ruin all the music? No stopping till we knock, knocking on heaven's door. Pedal on the floor. Apocalypse now. Who's talking shit now? Give me the countdown. 3, 2, 1. I'm addicted to cracking skulls.